What's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best apps for the month of May 2020. So there's a variety of great apps. There's just a great assortment in this video. So I'm going to be showing you the ones that I've been using in daily rotation. So to start off, it is backdrops. So Backdrops is a very solid app for many reasons. It's been around on Android for quite some time, but it's finally available on iOS. Now, Backdrops does have the highest quality wallpapers that I've ever seen. Now, there's just a good assortment and variety, and it has a lot of vibrant colors, I must say. So that's the main reason why I use this app and gravitate towards it. Now, you have the community tab at the top, so just submitted by the community. You have the Explore tab. Then you have your collections, and then you have your favorite wallpapers. Now we can tap on that hamburger menu and it will say explore, my uploads, top tags, categories, and then we do have the settings and much more. So you can see that there's quite a few features. Now we can go ahead and choose any one of these wallpapers. So let's say, for example, we choose this one. So what we can do is either favorite it and also go ahead and take a look at the info of it, and we have some more information about it. So we can go ahead and press download. And now if we take a look in our Photos app, we'll have the Backdrops wallpaper right here. So what we can do is just go ahead and press this button, and we can now make it our wallpaper by just pressing use as wallpaper. And now we can just hit set and for home screen. And it's just that simple. So now we have a very solid wallpaper for our home screen. It actually does look really good. Definitely complements my XS Max right here. So you can see that this is what the wallpaper looks like. So overall, Backdrops is just a solid app and it has a lot of great high quality wallpapers. You can always hit that search button for more, and that's what it has to offer. Now next up, we have TextOnVideo. So what we can do is actually import a video, and then we can get into this app. So here I am taking a video of my calculator, and that's about it. So now we can go ahead and import that video. So we can just press it, and now we can go ahead and choose. So here we have the video, and now you're going to see that we have the options at the bottom. So we have draw, text, sticker, and photo. So we can choose to draw on the video, and you can choose a random color. So let's say this one, and now you can just simply draw. So you have an arrow pointing down here, and now you can just hit done. Then we can add text. We can call it calculator, and then we can hit done. And then we can add a photo to it. We can add a sticker as well. So we can just put this right here. So you can see we have the TextOnVideo. It's a very solid app overall. I think it complements the iPhone to the best of its abilities. And it's just a really unique app. And then you can just save the video at the end. And it's just done just like that. So it's very simple in that way. And then it'll just be in your Photos app under the TextOnVideo folder. So it's just that simple. Now next up, we have ProTake. So ProTake is somewhat of a pro camera app. So it will allow you to have autofocus and pro features as well. So it uses the iPhone's camera to its best of its abilities. So here you can see the overall interface. You have the zoom right here, so you can zoom in more. You have the different color gradients. You have the time at the bottom with the seconds there. So you can record a video. You can see it'll be all red just to show you. You can see the timer there, and you can zoom in, and we have the different features as well. So you can tap to focus. So it's a really unique camera app. Now we can turn the flash on and flash off, and we have this resolution at the top, so we can record in 24 frames per second. We have this color cinematic gradient, so we can add cinematic looks to it. So you can go ahead and download that, and then it'll just download really quick. So we can choose what look we want to have. So you can have maybe this look. So you can see it's somewhat faded, and we can just drag my calculator into frame here. So here we have it. So you can see it's a little bit off color, and we have some more settings in this app. So you can see that there's actually the ability to have a $13.49 subscription throughout the year. You have the data management. You have a lot of pro controls as well in this app. So it only gets better. You can add Bluetooth accessories and camera presets and much more. So that's what ProTake Plus allows you to do. But in terms of just the regular ProTake for free, you have the record flash, record deeper. You have the volume key record. You have the standard and cinematic look. You have the ProTake camera roll, and both which will allow you where to save it to, so just the download path. And then you have the HDR, or the high dynamic range. You have the automatic, or you can turn it off. So that's what you can do with a ProTake camera, and it's a very all-in-one type of pro camera app. Now, next up, we have an app called Fig. Fig is a community-based app, so it's just a forum app. So it's a lot like Reddit in a way, but it has its unique twist to it. So you'll automatically open it up and it'll go to discover. So you can discover all these different trending forums. So you can see that there's some programming language. So Swift for Apple devices allows you to program iPhone apps. You have Breadtopia. You have Python, which is another programming language. So these are just all the trending ones. So you can see that there's quite a few. You have the featured ones. Then you have the different categories here as well. So you have developer, product, gaming, arts, music, entertainment, and much more. So you have all the featured ones right here. So there's quite a few to look at. So let's say we look at Swift, for example. So we have the Swift forum right here. You have all the different new forum posts, and you can subscribe to it. So let's say, for example, we look at this one. So you can just choose this one. You can see what they're talking about and see all that the forum has to offer. So you can see all the different comments and everything. And it's just very unique that there's an app dedicated to this. Now you can take a look at the Python one, for example, see what people are talking about for the Python language. And you just see how nice the user interface is. And I just really like it overall. So this Fig app is really unique. Now we can go into topics and just see which ones we're aligned with. And we also do have the inbox to see who has been messaging us on the Fig app. So it's just a variation of Reddit trying to make it their own, and they have a lot of different forums combined within the Fig app. Now, next up, we have Viamaker. So we can start a new project. And so Viamaker is essentially a video editing app. So here we have the Viamaker app. So you can see all the features we have at the bottom. So we have split, speed, volume, animation, delete, transform, mask, replace, adjust, and all these different features. So opacity, and then we have reverse and much more. So what we can do is just split the clip, and we can add a transition. And we can even add picture in picture right here. So we could add another video. So now I can just make a picture-in-picture with a video I took. So you can see that we have that picture-in-picture feature. So it's a really solid editing app. We can add the volume. We can have blending in the clips as well. So you can add maybe change the opacity to it. So you have a lot of different features, and Viamaker is just definitely the go-to video editing app. So Viamaker is just a solid app overall, and I just highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you like creating videos on your iPhone and editing videos on your iPhone. This would be my go-to app, just based on the sheer amount of robust features that are equipped within this app. Now, next up, we have Tick Tags. So Tick Tags is tags for TikTok, so that you can get your TikTok trending pretty much. So you can see all the different trending tags right now. You can go ahead and copy them over and put them in TikTok. So that's really good. So it has different tags based on the relevance of the video. So if you're on the beach, if you're on vacation, if you have animals in your TikTok, you can go ahead and copy all of those tags and put it in your TikTok so that it has a higher chance of getting views and a higher chance of virality. So you can also search different hashtags and then find some new hashtags and just do some keyword and you can just basically do some keyword analysis within this app. And you can also take a look at the settings that it has to offer, but it's pretty straightforward. So let's say, for example, I search iPhone and we let it load up. You can see all the relevant iPhone hashtags right here. So you can see that there's quite a few iPhone hashtags. So iPhone challenge, iPhone repair, iPhone 11, Apple, YouTube, AirPods. And you can see that there's all these different relevant tags that we can go ahead and copy. So that is the Tick Tags app. Now, next up, we have the DrinkWater app. So DrinkWater just allows you to get notifications and input how much water you've been drinking on a daily basis. So we can go ahead and choose our gender and choose all of that. And now it will just create a hydrating plan based on your height, your weight, your sleep patterns, and how much you should drink, and how many times, and how many milliliters as well, and when is the right time. So you can just create a personal hydration plan. And this is just very unique and very interesting that you can have your daily drink target and you have your next time to drink water and notifications based on that. Now, especially if you have an Apple Watch and you're away from your phone, that Apple ecosystem integration is just definitely priceless. So you have all of that, and you have the history of you throughout the week, and you have settings. You can see that you have your personal information right there. So that's a DrinkWater app, and I highly recommend that you install it if you plan on drinking more water. Now, next up, we do have Timepiece. Now, Timepiece is the ultimate timer app, and you can have different timers based on a lot of different things. So let's say film, video. You can go ahead and press add, and you can just have a timer for filming the video. And this is just definitely the ultimate timer app. So you can see that you have notifications for your timer, you have the milliseconds, you have the reusable, you have the theme of it, and it just looks really, really good. So this is what Timepiece looks like when you look at it in the App Store. You can just see what it has to offer, so you can view all your timers on one screen. You can see all the icons and just the emojis beside it. You have the quick menus for each timer, and you have the important info at a glance as well. So you can see that you have all these different timers, and just the app looks really, really sleek and well designed, I must say. And you have new timers with speed and ease and much, much more. So you have more precision for important tasks, the app experience as well. It's just a revolutionary timer application overall. So that is what the Timepiece app allows you to do. Now, next up, we have the App Ratings app. And now we can just add an app in App Ratings. So let's say, for example, we choose Snapchat. So you can search for an app, and Snapchat will pop up. So it'll tell you the version of it and how many ratings it has gotten. So we'll just simply add it to the home screen. And now if we take a look at it, it'll tell you everything about Snapchat, and it'll give you every single rating from every country around the world that the app is available. So that's a really unique feature. And we have all these different countries, and you can see what it got and how many people rated it in a particular country. And it shows you based on the version. So it's 3.8. And you have a 3-star rating overall. You can see how fast ratings are going up. So you have 831,489 ratings in 128 countries. So you can see that there's quite a few countries here. So we can maybe check on Iceland and say what, and we can see what people are saying in Iceland about the app for the app ratings. So you can see that we have all those there. Then we can choose another random country, let's say Finland. You can see what all the Finnish people are saying about Snapchat as well. So you can see all the different ratings. So it's just a really unique app. If you're super analytical and really detail oriented, you'll like an app like this, where you could just take a look at app ratings and see what people are saying around the world. Now you can see that you have settings and can change the countries to scan. You can turn particular countries off, so you could just have the countries to your liking. So that's essentially what you can do with app ratings. So thanks for watching this video on the best iPhone apps for the month of May. Please be sure to subscribe to the video. Please smash the like button down below so you know you watched. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out applecritics.com for latest Apple news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/applecritics. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/applecritics, and also follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/applecritics. Once again, this was Apple Critics, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.